Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It has already been a very busy morning. I had to package some stuff. I had to take a photo for a promotional thing for Tuesday next week for the Goodwill. So that was, I don't know, I hate taking photos of myself. So that wasn't too exciting, but it had to get done. But if you guys already don't know about it, there's going to be a thing that I'm doing with the Goodwill with a bunch of other people from YouTube and Instagram on Giving Tuesday next week, which is also Cinco de Mayo. And it's actually going to be like a whole day event. I think it's going to go from noon to like, I want to say 5 or 6. I have 2 segments, so if you guys have time, if you could tune in, I would be so excited. And it'll be so much fun. We're doing a bunch of raffles and all sorts of fun stuff with the Goodwill. And also, of course, today is the day that I decided to get a pimple right there. Like, I don't know what that's about. So don't look at it too hard because it's awful. But I have to film a bunch of stuff today, so I can't like put my Mario Badescu stuff on it because it's gonna look atrocious. So pray for me that I don't have like this giant pimple all next week. But with that being said, let's get on with the day. I have to start doing or getting ready for my tablescape that is gonna be in the video for my cooking and table decorating segment for next week. So that's gonna be super duper fun. And then gonna start cooking with Mom as well, because we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna do the cooking video. I think we're gonna film it today, and that's actually pretty exciting. So that means we're gonna have 2 Cinco de Mayos. Yay! Any reason to have a party is a good reason in my book, right? Comment down below if you guys think the same. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, I am upstairs, and I wanted to show you guys a little haul of stuff that we ordered from Uniqlo. I already started taking stuff out, but there is so much stuff. I'm not going to open everything because we're going to give them to everyone first, but we got like a bunch of shirts. Oh, this one's an Amazing Spider. I think these are John's. Amazing Spider-Man. He got... Is this Gundam? I think this is like a Gundam shirt. This one is like another Gundam shirt, and it has like a print of the the models that you like make. Oh, this one's a Disney shirt. I can't even show the designs, but I don't want to take them out of the plastic. This one's just a little one with Donald. John got a lot of shirts. These are all his, huh? This is like a Tokyo Disney style kind of shirt with like the cartoon Mickeys. This one's mine because it's yellow. I think this one's Kate. It has Venom on it.
Yeah, that's Kate.
And then this one's also John's. I have no clue what this is. Neo Miyagi. Has like some guy that looks like vegetables. Then ooh, Princess and Villains. I think this one's for Yasmin. It has I forgot what movie this is, but it's the one with the candy. Oh, this one's Mom. Mom, I'm gonna steal this from you because it says Ob's fairest of them all. That's so funny. It has Maleficent. That one's a good one.
That's why I bought it.
Oh my gosh.
Let's open it.
I'm gonna open that one because that one's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys this shirt. This one sounds. Oh, it's embroidered. Yeah. That's nice.
It's so pretty.
Look at that. It's embroidered on there.
It is. Ah, it's so
Just look
cute.
at me wearing it. Here, Mom.
You see? Oh, good stuff.
That's cute. I like that shirt a lot.
I bought the fairest of them all.
This one says, everyone wants to be us. I hope this is mine.
Ano yan. Let me see.
This is the Devil Wears Prada sweatshirt.
Oh, this is mine.
Mom, let me see. Devil Wears Prada collection.
Yes. That was on sale when I bought it. I just bought it because I like it.
Oh. Dude, I could wear this.
No, you can't. That's mine.
I'm gonna wear it because I like what it says.
I'm gonna play something.
Baby, you have this.
Oh, this one's a ramen shirt. This one's mine.
I love the double
Yeah.
the double burst product.
Yasmin.
Oh, Mom, you got this is another Maleficent shirt.
Oh, you
Oh
can
My
see
gosh,
it.
that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. Wait, hold on.
Oh, Maleficent also.
Oh, this one's an
I
Andy
got
Warhol shirt.
all
This
the
one is the Statue of Liberty.
Maleficent.
That's probably for Yasmin.
Yeah.
Oh, a Minecraft shirt. This one is
think this
kids. This one's a Lego shirt.
Also
Ooh.
kids.
Ooh. Eliza, come here and say hi.
That's fine.
This is yours?
Mom, these are Mickey Mouse. Oh my gosh, it's Mickey. What? That is
This
so
one's
cute.
Urban Walls. New York Love is what this one says.
This is actually my controller.
Cool,
Oh,
I
that
have
was
a Mickey
actually your
Mouse shirt.
controller. Watch out for the camera. No, no, no. Don't try to sit here right now.
And then, ooh, Eliza, look it. It's a Lego shirt.
That's mine.
Yeah,
Is
that's
this yours?
Size.
yeah.
Is this your size?
What does the number
Is that
say?
your size? It says 5. Oh.
This
See,
was
this
the
is from
Star
Grandma.
Wars shirt.
Thank you. Open mine.
Okay, open yours and show it on YouTube.
I don't know what this is. Roomba?
Yeah, that's John's, I think.
John got a Roomba shirt?
Yeah.
Why? He never vacuums.
You know.
That is so cute. Okay, show it to the camera.
Oh, this one's a Little Mermaid.
Yes, ma'am. Little mermaid.
Did you get the princess?
Yeah, it's over here. Oh, Minecraft. This is for Thackeray.
Zachary Bay.
Mom,
That's
so
way.
cute. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, that's a.
This
wait.
one's Eliza.
Wow.
This
It
one's
says
also
here,
Eliza. This
is
one's for
yours
you too.
Minecraft.
What?
I think that's everything, Mom. Okay, that's the
Show it
the
on-
haul.
Wait, Mom,
Yay.
you didn't get the princess sleep. Oh,
Eliza, show your thing. Oh, it's upside down. Wow, how cute. Alright, you guys, we're now in the kitchen the dining room. And this is how the table's looking right now. You guys know how much I love this little setup. And it has served me well through Easter and spring, and now that summer is coming around, and I also wanted to just like change it up a little bit, I'm going to be redoing, I think, the whole table. I might use some elements of the table still here, but I definitely need to change out the runner because it has gotten a couple little stains on it, and I want to throw it into the washing machine. So that, I think, is what we're going to tackle right now. We're gonna just take everything off and get that table runner off. Alright, I wanted to show you guys how the table looked with nothing on it. Man, I love this table so much. I still can't believe that I got this table from the Goodwill. I've told you guys so many times about this table. I think it was like $30, and it's actually a Pottery Barn table. And we upcycled it by putting on this slab on top, and this is like a man-made quartz is what it is, because we were almost gonna do marble, but then we thought of all the stains that we're gonna get on it. So this is a great alternative, and I seriously think it looks exactly like marble, and it looks so beautiful. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. And I brought down a couple table runners that I have. This is I love this one so much. The lobster, the fish, the crab, the starfish. I thought that was super cool. Then I just have this kind of like natural one, though I don't know if I like the color, like in contrast to like the table. I don't know, it kind of looks a little weird, but maybe if I open it up all the way and see how that looks. Then I have this one, which is really pretty too. And this is just like a linen one, but it has like stripes with like the different colors on it. This one though did get a stain and we couldn't get it out, which is unfortunate. But I would put it on the other end so you don't really see it. But I just think this one is so pretty and I love the colors. They're like very washed neutrals. And this one is a cool one. This one is a blue and white one with the tassels. This one's really pretty too. I think all of these are from Pottery Barn also. And we've had them for quite some time. I think probably the newest one is this one, because I think we bought it around the time that we moved, and this one. The other ones we've had for a while. This one we've had for years. I think we actually had another one, but we never opened this one and I lost the other one during the move. I remember we got this one because it was a longer one. Anyway, that's unimportant. But I don't know, do I want a runner? Do I not want a runner? I don't think I'm going to use a runner because I didn't get any of these things from the Goodwill. And I think I want to decorate on the table purely with thrifted items for the video. So I think we're going to 86 all of these guys for now. But I'm definitely going to be using them in a future tablescape during the summertime. Alright you guys, so we are kind of halfway through our cooking video for the Goodwill, and Mom decided that we needed dessert. So this isn't going to be in the official video, but because she's never actually tried out this recipe before, so we're going to try it out first just to make sure that itsHadrian's mom approved.
Yep.
So what are we making, Mom?
Making churros.
Churros! I'm super excited because I love churros so much. I'll show you guys how it turns out later. And then if it's good, Mom said that we're going to make an official video for how to make them. And then she's going to make them for Cinco de Mayo, on actual Cinco de Mayo. Since this is our Cinco de Mayo practice party. How fun is it to have a practice party? You can celebrate twice.
Yep.
Okay, but back to my table. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly I want to do. I kind of like this combo right here. I want it to be like kind of like more bright and whimsical, kind of like a more like because like Cinco de Mayo is like a really bright and colorful holiday. So I think I'm gonna do that instead of what I was originally gonna go for, which was a little bit more like mono, not like a super monochromatic, but a little bit more simplistic, I guess. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I think I like this combination with this plate and this table mat. Is that what I like? Hadrian's not sure. Alright you guys, these are what I'm considering now. So I have this plate, which I think is so pretty. We've never ever used these plates before, and I think they are so gorgeous. I got these from a thrift store. I forgot how much these were, but they were like, I think like $1 or $1.99 each. But these are Anthropologie. They're really, really cute, and I just love the detail. So nice. But the only problem is I only have 5 plates. And then I have these, which are pretty much almost the same color minus like the pattern. They have like the very similar scalloped kind of edging on them, and these I got from the Goodwill. These are actually from Target, but I have 8 of these, but I don't think we really need 8 plates. We're gonna show you guys our churros. They have become donut holes because the little thing, the piping tip
is
fell
too
off.
Small.
Yeah.
So this is like churros.
Yeah, we were able to make a couple of them, but the thing fell off and then it fell into the oil and it was just a hot mess. We need a larger one, but yeah.
I'm gonna get it right now.
I'm gonna show you guys the whole table because that'll be on Tuesday, but I wanted to show you this little guy because it's really cute with real flowers. Hey guys, I am in my room now and I have a, what is this called again? The Mario Badescu drying lotion on my nose. My nose kind of looks, actually like from certain angles, it looks like I have like intense like highlighter or something on my face. I call it the Phantom of the Phantom of the Opera nose mask. But I just like was breaking out, and I already tell this morning, but I had to film, so I couldn't do anything to it. I didn't really want to touch it at all, but I felt like just like growing throughout the whole day. I know that's like TMI, but I have this on. I've had it on for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna do my Aztec clay mask, and then after that, I'm just gonna wash my face really well, do my regular skincare routine, and then afterwards put some more drying lotion on it, and then hopefully in the morning it won't be too intense, but I don't know, I'm just like breaking out like right here, and I think it's because it's been getting really hot, so I'm like producing more oils in my face. Anyway, what was I gonna tell you guys? I think that's it for the day. I was very happy that I was able to film everything for Tuesday's event. I think I might film some more stuff tomorrow, like with the table, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. The food was delicious, so if you guys are looking for a really good recipe, don't forget to tune in on Tuesday for my cooking segment with Mom. It's so much fun, it's so delicious, so good. But yeah. Oh, don't forget to check out the shop. Everything in the store is 25% off your entire purchase. That's until Mother's Day 2020, which is, I think, is that like May 10th, Sunday, May 10th. Oh, I'm so bad with dates. It's just whatever Mother's Day 2020 is. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video tomorrow, bright and early, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, also this morning, I think I had, will be another video as well. So today there were 2 videos, so go check that video out as well. Alright, bye!